Hey, cuties! Are you dreaming of becoming a successful businesswoman? Well, this video was made just for you. Using the incredible power of vision boards, this collage is filled with carefully selected visuals that radiate that girl boss energy, and it'll help you concretize your intention. But please, I'm begging you, don't just skip straight to the video. I know you might have heard a lot about manifesting and attracting what you want. I can almost hear you saying, ugh, not this again. But just wait a second. Take literally 1 minute and I'll share a few important steps with you. Trust me, these tiny details can make a huge difference in reaching your dreams. Why is just wanting not enough? Let's discover together. You know, this thing we call manifesting is a powerful practice where we focus our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs to attract what we want into our lives. But unfortunately, many people skip a crucial step here and then end up disappointed saying, manifesting doesn't work. I know that your previous affirmations or intentions not coming true might have shaken your faith in the process, and I get that. But come on, let's discover the nuances of a truly effective manifesting practice that will lead you to your goals. Before you jump into the video, just lend an ear to these small but impactful tips. 3 core steps you need to know before you start manifesting. First, get clear. What exactly do you desire? Since you're here watching this video, it's clear you want to be a successful businesswoman. That's a fantastic intention. But what does success really mean to you? Let's dive into some details. Do you want to rise in a specific industry? Or does success mean financial freedom to you? If so, how much do you want to see in your bank account? Numbers matter. If creating an impact and adding value is your goal, what exactly will that impact be? Whom will you touch? When you achieve this success, what will it bring to you personally? Will your leadership skills develop significantly? Or how do you want your work-life balance to be once you're successful? Before you start the practice, really thinking about these questions will help you clarify what you want and direct your energy to the right place. Second, believe with all your heart and feel it. This part might be where you say, easier said than done. I know, but just try. You need to develop an unshakable belief that what you desire will come true. As you practice, when those sneaky doubts like, how's this going to happen? Or, can I even do this? Pop into your head, just kick them out immediately. In this video, all I want from you is to focus not on how it will happen, but to act and feel as if you already have what you desire. High-frequency emotions like gratitude and joy attract abundance into your life. Remember, emotions are the most powerful engine of the manifesting process. They are your energy's fuel. And third, the magical power of visualization, and that's what this video is for. And here we are at my favorite step. Our brains work with visuals, just like a child's. Clearly visualizing your dreams incredibly speeds up the process of making them real. This video is exactly for that. It'll give you a ready and simple tool to program your mind for success. What do I want from you? Every time you watch this video, I want you to remember your goals and be filled with that magnificent energy. I hope this collage becomes a source of motivation that keeps you focused even during tough times. So let's not waste any more time. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let yourself surrender to the magic of the video. I'll tell you a few more steps you need to take at the end of the video, but it's better to start the practice now before the magic fades. See you in the end of the video. Sending you kisses. If you've watched this far, I sincerely congratulate you. This means you're putting up a spiritual fight for what you truly desire. So, what happens now? Remember, manifesting isn't a passive process. Be open to signs and inspirations from the universe and take action based on those inspirations. Don't obsess over when or how your desires will materialize. When your motivation drops, watch this video again and trust the natural flow of the process. Every challenge you face is a lesson preparing you for your dreams. As you solve these lessons, you'll achieve your desires. Take care. See you around.